Students, we will discuss today about the relation between electric field and potential difference. So consider a positive charge placed at point O. This is positive Q charge. Around this positive charge, electric field will be produced. So in this electric field of positive Q charge, here a positive test charge Q naught, positive test charge Q naught is placed here. So this positive test charge experiences electrostatic force due to this positive Q charge, and the electrostatic force will be along this direction away from the point O. So the direction of electrostatic force will be along, and we know that the electric field due to this positive charge will be along the direction of force acting on it. Okay, now let this positive test charge is displaced from point A to B through a small distance or the displacement dr. Okay, now we know that the to displace the positive test charge from A to B, here work has to be done, and this work will be against the electrostatic force, because to bring the electric positive test charge from A to B, here we are acting the force against the electrostatic force. So the work done will be dW in displacing through the small displacement dr will be equal to F vector F dot vector dr, vector F dot vector dr. Okay, now or on putting the value of dot product of two vectors, it will be F dr cos theta. Okay, now the direction of dr is along this direction. Okay, and now the force, electrostatic force, is along this direction. So these are opposite, then the angle between them will be 180 degree. So the work done will be W equal F dr cos 180 degree. Okay, since cos 180 degree equal -1, therefore dW will be equal F dr into -1. It is equal to, or dW will be equal minus F into dr. Okay, but by the equation of potential, V is equal to W upon Q naught. Potential is defined as the work done in unit positive test charge. So if this work done is small, then this work done will be dW. So the potential will be dV, and positive test charge will be as it is. So dV equal dW upon Q0, or dW will be equal Q0 into dV. This dV, V is the potential, and dV shows the potential difference between point A and B. Let the potential at point A is V, then the potential at point B will be V plus dV, where dV is the potential difference between A and B, and the potential at point B will be more than that of potential at point A, because the distance of point A is more than that of point B. So from equation V equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R, when distance is increased, potential will decrease. When the distance is decreased, potential will increase. In this form, from this equation, potential at point A will be smaller than that of potential at point B. Okay. Now, this is the potential difference. If the potential at point A is VA and the potential at point B is VB, then the potential difference we can write Q0 VB minus VA. This is potential difference. Okay, or potential difference dV. Okay, so this is equation first and this is equation second. From equation first and equation second, it is clear that what is E? F minus F into dr will be equal Q naught dV. F is the electrostatic force on the unit positive test charge. So it will be F equal Q naught into E. Okay. From which formula? Since E equal F upon Q naught. Okay. Now, so this equation will be minus Q naught E, the value of F is equal Q naught E into dr equal Q naught dV. Q naught cancel, minus E into dr equal dV, or E equal dV upon minus dr, or E equal minus dV upon dr. This is the potential difference and this is the electric field. So this is the relation between electric field and the potential difference. Okay.